Video really is this one-on-one experience. It's you speaking to one person on the other end of the internet connection. And huge mistake so many people make trying to speak to everyone.
Every piece of content that I put out has my ideal client in mind. And I mean, like, I am only writing to one person. When I started writing content, I got nervous that if I was so narrow, nobody would resonate with my content. But what I didn't realize was when I was going broad, nobody was resonating because everybody could resonate. So I started with, all right, here's my ideal client. They have fears, they have frustrations, they have wants and aspirations. I need to identify what those are. Then I need to be able to speak to those in my content.